Hello, welcome to the channel. Any particular website, when you're sharing for links on your social media, the email will be not appear properly. That is mean by I'm selecting one of the website name is called seasonindosim.com will be here. So I'm selecting for particular one. If I'm sharing for Facebook option, sometimes email will be not appear on the Facebook option when you're sharing time. So first of all, I'm selecting for Facebook page option. Which page you will be sharing? We can switch on it. Now click for it is refresh, which here we can selecting will be here. Copy the content and refresh it. It is visible. So any URL will be not visible on your particular page. So here, which is URL will be located in this particular option. Click it. Here I'm clicking for share option. If it is not visible by proper image, see here. The image will be not appear like this. So that is the particular option. Any new URL you can selecting will be here. So this is I'm selecting for new URL. So when I'm sharing, click here, is unable to show your image will be here. So that is purpose. Copy the URL will be here. The option name is called Facebook Debugger. Open here. URL will be debug here. Just scrap again. Here is the click in this. If his image was not visible, the immediately in fraction of seconds, the image visible to the particular audience. After, we can refresh where you can share your particular post. Click for the particular option will be is a visible this particular option. So this is a method you can follow it and to share content along with image with a clickable link. If any further question, please contact our channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.